Alright, welcome to another video. As I fly up here at the Eastport Square, I do notice this fence, and this fence, and this fence. I do believe that these fences are like the ones up at Brownwood Square, where they're doing construction up there. So I do believe that they're going to be opening up the sales center, the golf cart store. I don't believe the rec center is going to be opened up yet. I do believe that the fields are going to be opening up. With all this parking lot being striped and cleaned, these construction areas being fenced off, this is a good sign that Eastport is going to be opening up real soon. I'm going to do more of these short informational videos, so please subscribe and hit the bell notification. You can see here that Sunset Island is not going to be opened up. That's a real bummer. You can see that the businesses are not going to be opening up soon. There's no businesses in here just yet. It'll take a while to open up the businesses. Just look at downtown Middleton as an example. And does this building off to the left not look like the Ghostbusters headquarters? They do have the FMK restaurant coming in. That's good to have. Village has just put out a new 1 to 2 minute video of this restaurant. And here are the refreshment centers for the square. Let's orbit around. Take a look at the entertainment square. You can see it has the sunshades up. That'll be good for entertainment. Nice to be sitting in the shade while listening to the entertainment. While you're looking at this, you can see that the color of the road around here is different than the other parts of the road. This part of the road here is going to be blocked off for the seating area and pedestrian walkways. This here is the Village's golf cars. You can see I got a closer look at the golf cars that are on top. And check out, this is a very nice cinematic view of a storm coming into view here. I thought that was really nice. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.